I'm at the other side of the store. Well, apparently this claw machine was not broken after all. It was just unplugged. I plugged the machine back in and let's give it a go. I'm probably going to get kicked out by security in probably like a minute. So I'm probably going to have to make this quick. So let's see what I can win. I'm going to go for a rainbow ball. I got a rainbow ball. Yep, rainbow ball. I got a rainbow ball. You know what? Let's see if we can get another one. Well, we're probably going to have to make this quick because I know security is probably going to come and yell at me for plugging the machine in when they think it's broken, but it's not. Yeah, well, there's a security camera right there, so we're probably going to have to make this quick. We're probably going to get kicked out in like less than a minute, so we definitely got to make this quick. Oh yeah, 2-in-1. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Got a 2-in-1 at the Sugarloaf Toy Shoppe claw. Nice. 2 for $1 friggin' at the Sugarloaf Toy Shoppe.